All right. This was gonna be an interesting one. For those of you that didn't see or need to be reminded of what happened to Mindy's car after we left Toyota Fest, check this out. Everything was good, left the show, came back, and Mindy's car got hit. Look at this. Whose car is it, Mindy?
I don't know.
It's these people.
Whoever this is, get the license plate.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you saw what happened. So today we're gonna meet up with Mindy, get her car, drive it around to a couple spots, get some estimates, get some estimates and see what has to be done, how much it's gonna cost. And I'm already knowing about the bumpers, the fenders, side markers, the panels. We'll see what happened. This should be interesting. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
They do make hammocks for big guys. What?
Yeah, like the ones you can...
The vehicle in question is this right here. Yeah. Fenders in. When she was driving, it kept. So I hope nothing's rubbing on the tire. That corner. This lip down here.
Probably didn't fall off on the freeway, honestly.
I don't know. How much sleep did you lose?
I've been up for days now at this point. I haven't slept yet.
Oh, that's why you look like that?
Yes. You want to hear me start it up?
Yeah. It's like, boom. Stupid.
Gotta unlock it. Are you sure I didn't crash it while it was parked? Still runs.
That's what you were checking?
Yeah.
Make sure it still works?
It works.
All right, off the spot. Number one. Let's see what's up. This fender's dented in, yeah.
Marker lamp.
And then, yeah, the side marker.
Yeah.
And then...
Yeah, I'll take care of you right now.
Heck yeah. Where's the dog?
The dog took the day off. Yeah.
Alright, give me a couple minutes and I'll have your estimate.
All good, I appreciate you.
How much do you think it would cost? Do you think it would, just off your opinion of being in this industry, do you think it would be cheaper for the guy to pay out of pocket or to go through insurance with that amount of damage?
What's your deductible?
I don't know. It's not mine. It's his.
It's theirs,
The
yeah.
car was parked.
Deductible, but some people have like a 20, 80%. So they have to pay 20% of the lesson.
Dog.
Yeah.
And see, my ass.
Deductible up to $2,000. Most
Okay.
companies like $1,000.
I was thinking like or even like if you get like good, it'll be like 500.
Yeah.
That's like a dope one.
Some people don't even have deductible at all.
It's just, they'll just
Right,
take care of it,
right.
boom. Yeah.
Okay.
This is just like a visual estimate, what I put in there. This is what I can see. You know, once we take it apart, I don't know, you know.
There might be more.
There might be more. But I mean, it's just a visual what we can see on the outside.
So what's that, the bumper, the fender getting it
The
repainted?
bumper, the fender getting repaired, the light, the molding, the lower spoiler, and the headlight. I left it open because we still need to take it apart to see if there's damage on it.
Right. And we're like, all right, cool, pull the trigger. What's the wait time for us to drop the car?
I mean, you can just drop it off right away. I mean, there's no wait time.
Okay.
And what would be the turnaround for something like that? Like,
We just need to check on parts availability. If they have them in stock and if it's like a day or two, you know, something like this is like a week worth. But we
Okay.
gotta have the part here first.
Mindy?
sorry, but oh my dad. I'm embarrassed.
All right, cool.
Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Either way, whatever route you guys want to go through insurance or pay out of pocket, we'll take care of you guys.
Okay. Yeah, it makes me a little bit nervous because, not nervous, but the guy was like, oh yeah, like I'll pay you. Like he was considering maybe giving me cash for it, so it makes me like,
a lot of times,
let's just say if I told him 3,200 and then it's like, oh, he got in there and it was like, damn, dude, we need another G. And the guy's like, sorry, I gave you what I gave you.
yeah.
Well, that's why I put a line on the estimate at the end, you know, that it's always open for additional damage once we take it apart.
Oh,
You know,
okay,
that's why I
okay.
always put that just for
Okay, oh, okay, perfect. That's what I was telling him then.
Cool.
The show.
And a lot of people are like, I'll pay out of pocket. And they find out how much. They're like, oh, yeah,
That's what I'm
no.
thinking.
We'll go through insurance.
that. All right, you guys take care.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
So much. It was good seeing you guys again.
So, Next spot. Let's get the estimate.
F&A, homie.
We're going on an adventure, Charlie.
Hi.
What up? You get an estimate on body damage?
Yeah, I'll be right with you.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's up?
You're like, yeah, you need to work out more. Do some more push-ups, crunches.
I parked on the outside of the gate right here. Sorry, there was no space. No worries. So I got hit. My car was parked and got hit. The person left a note. So they're kind of considering paying out of pocket depending on what the estimate is. So
This piece is.
I think it's something smashed in here.
No.
It's ruined.
All right. Well, let me take a couple photos right
Okay,
here
yeah.
and the VIN number, and then
Okay.
I'll write up a quote for you.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Start
Over
making
there?
a video about my whole experience.
Over at FA,
F&A auto body.
Yes.
Auto Body.
Yes, sir. I'll look into the system. And
Okay, and then how do you guys do with like the color map?
Every vehicle has a paint code number.
Oh, okay.
And we go based off of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Say something inspirational.
Do you want my gun to fall out of my bag?
I don't think that inspires people.
Inspires people to back the up.
She stays strapped up. All right, y'all, let's see what he's talking about when he gets back.
All the parts that I put on that estimate are original OEM. All original parts, like the front end, like the bumper.
So the estimate is $33.69.16.
And if it's not going through the insurance, then I'll contact you and let you know.
All right, cool. And then turnover rate.
Yeah, they should have them in stock. If not, I would say like 2 or 3 days most to get.
To get the part.
Yeah, and then for the work itself, probably like another 3 days.
Okay, so
you're
like
looking at
a week and a half.
at most.
Cool. All right, appreciate you.
All right.
Of course.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I appreciate you guys
Indeed.
so
Oh, yeah.
Take it easy.
I will get in contact.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank
go.
you.
And now we're down here for a third and final estimate.
Avalon's over there too. I used to clean their office building.
Just in case you guys didn't know, that's a daily fact for you.
And I
Boom.
used to clean LKQ's offices too back in the day.
All right. See what they talking about.
Ooh, it's so nice and cool in here. This is where I want to be. Ooh, I don't do the heat. The heat does me.
I was wanting to get an estimate on body damage.
Oh, damn, we got to fill all this out? Yes.
Favorite color, shoe size, what traumas you've been through in life.
I should give him a good sign.
Okay. Okay. Car came in and then just wow. And then
But they left a note.
full commit, you know.
Yeah.
Well, guys, give me a couple minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, just got a quick question.
Okay, do you need the dinner or anything?
No, I'll be right back.
Yep. Thank you so much, Angel.
Got your boy out here glossy, you know what I mean? Shining. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Support the channel, see what we got going on, and we deal with a lot, man. We deal with a lot out here. I ain't trying to get too emotional, but you see it, ain't funny. You see it. What's up?
We didn't even make it to the stage.
You for real?
Yep.
Are you recording?
Yeah,
This is private property. You're not allowed to record on private property.
that's an estimate. So,
Okay.
cool.
I'm gonna ask you to stop recording my people.
Your people might be the ones doing the work. What's the problem? And I have them on YouTube channel. That's what this is going on. So,
Okay. So you don't have our approval to be on YouTube for one.
all right. So pretty much it's almost looking like we'll just take our business elsewhere. No point on promoting good work getting done
Have a nice
if we
day.
can't promote.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Thank you.
What's his name? Yeah. So that was a Caliber collision over here.
Racist.
Yeah. Seriously. And
I wanted to get my
if we're trying to promote good work, what do you have to hide? What do you have to hide? We're getting an estimate. You know what I'm saying? Are you gonna be doing some shady work? You don't want it to be exposed? Things like that you gotta watch out for. And when do you treat customers like that? We ain't even doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Hey,
That's
I'm glad. I'm in such a good mood right now. You know what I mean?
At least we got a water. Thank you.
Water.
Thank you.
All right. Like I was saying, like and subscribe, man, because I'll be dealing with.
Recording.
Huh?
He was looking at me like I'm not even recording.
Oh, yeah. So this is what we deal with. You know what I mean? Promote us, man. You know what I mean? Support us. Yeah. Can't even get word. Nobody else had a problem but him for some reason. What's that about? All right, so we're leaving. We just left Caliber Collision. Small world. Mindy knew one of the girls that worked in there. She actually came out, said what's up, whatever, because for some reason I wasn't letting that go. That type of behavior and treatment. I walked back in there and everything was cool. We ended up sitting in the office. That guy's name is Weston or whatever. And I guess he's the general manager of the Caliber Collision in Rancho. But I asked her, I said, what's his deal? What kind of boss is he? You know what I mean? And I guess she said that the higher ups, the corporate people are there. And I'm like, dude, the last thing you want to do is be rude to customers that are coming in your businesses to fix problems. And we have the money to get it fixed. And we're just getting an estimate, man. You know what I mean? And the last thing you want to do is be rude to customers. And your bosses are here upstairs. You know what I'm saying? You saw how we walked in, showed the building. The lady in the front desk, super, super nice. You know what I mean? He filled the paperwork. Everybody was respectful. We got offered water. And then he came out and pulled that. And it's like, you're not going to be talking to just anybody like that. What if that was my wife and she messed up my car? And I was pissed off about my car getting messed up. So I'm already going in there irritated and agitated. Yeah, no, that was stupid, dude. I don't know what his deal was. And that's why I went in there. I literally hopped in my truck, got out, and started walking back in. And Mindy already knew. She started laughing. But you don't treat people like that. But nobody cares about where you work, your title, you have your little t-shirt on. All that goes out the door when you treat somebody wrong. Nobody cares. When somebody disrespects you, they don't care about you or what happens to you. So why should you care about them? And I'll be down if I go over there and spend money knowing that it's gonna help pay him. I'm good. And that's when I was like, dude, usually whenever I deal with businesses, I promote them, show the before and after, talk about how happy I am for the service and everything like that. I've never bashed any business. You guys did it to yourself, man. Yeah. Please like and subscribe. Help me out, support, tune in. And I'm also on IG at Import Life Media. Okay. Things always get interesting. All right, I'll let you guys. Oh.
Hey, you can't record here, bro. Can't do that here.
No, but
Not allowed.
I'm gonna like help promote your business. Like,
This is private property, bro.
I know, but like, is it because I'm black?
Yes.